So this work here is just part of a body of work over about 6 months. It's called Modern Love. So it's basically couples that have met online through like dating apps, and they've come together, and I've photographed them inside their homes. And I started it here in Cardiff. I put up sort of handwritten posters all around Cardiff looking for people. It actually turns out that most people meet online nowadays, so I wasn't short of subjects. I then went to Europe to finish the project, so to 5 different countries and photograph couples there. So the course has given me the scope to meet people and basically make my life passion into a reality, really. You know, I couldn't have asked for anything better. The course has been fantastic, the lecturers so hardworking and inspirational, and yeah, it's just amazing. It's been a crazy week, but now everything's up, it looks fantastic, and it's just amazing being together with a bunch of people for 3 years, and such highs and lows, but seeing everyone's work on the wall now is just, I don't know, it's very touching.